Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Ps3 has the latest firmware and you know the Wi-Fi SSID and password or have an Ethernet cable. Power on the Ps3 and go to Network Settings to start. Choose Internet Connection Settings and accept the warning. You'll be prompted to select a connection method. Pick wireless or wired depending on your hardware. Once done, you move into scanning and entering credentials to link the console to your router. Now you handle the detailed configuration. If using Wi-Fi, scan for your SSID and enter the password carefully, since capitalization and symbols matter. For most home networks, select Automatic for IP address and DNS and leave MTU at defaults. This preserves compatibility. If you must set a static IP, input the correct IP, subnet, gateway, and DNS values from your router. Once configured, the Ps3 will run a connection test. Observe IP, NAT type, and successful DNS resolution so you know why it works. Finish by running the Ps3 connection test and confirming it shows an IP address, valid DNS, and a usable NAT type. If the test fails, restart the Ps3 and router, wait 30 seconds, then retry. Sometimes DHCP leases need refreshing. Make sure MAC filtering is disabled on the router or add the Ps3 MAC address. If you still have trouble, switch DNS to a public server such as 8 to rule out resolver issues, then retest to complete the setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.